You must know the benefits of mangosteen peel. Mangosteen is one type of fruit that contains many benefits. In addition to the flesh has a delicious taste, some parts of the mangosteen can also be used as medicine. One part of the mangosteen that is widely used is the skin of the mangosteen fruit. On this occasion we will discuss about the skin of the mangosteen fruit. As an herbal and natural ingredient, mangosteen peel contains a lot of nutrients or nutrients. Some of the nutrients contained in the mangosteen peel include xanthones. The first ingredient that is mostly found in the skin of the mangoes is xanthones. Xanthones are natural antioxidants that have high levels and have good properties and are also beneficial for the body. In this xanthone compound, about 14 types of derivative compounds were identified. One of the many derivative compounds found in mangosteen is alpha-mangosteen. This alpha-mangosteen is a very efficacious compound to suppress the formation of carcinogenic compounds in the colon. In addition to alpha-mangosteen, this xanthone compound also contains gamma-mangosteen, which provides many benefits in protecting or preventing certain diseases. Tannins are one of the compounds contained in the skin of the mangosteen fruit. These tannins have antioxidant properties that can inhibit certain enzymes. These tannins are also referred to as anti-nutrients because they are able to form strong complexes with proteins, thereby inhibiting the absorption of protein and digestion. Anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a group of pigments found in plants, and are usually found in flowers, vegetables, and fruits. This anthocyanin also has good antioxidant abilities and also has an important role in preventing several diseases. Anti-inflammatory, inflammation. Mangosteen peel has anti-inflammatory or anti-inflammatory properties. The content of ethanol extract in the mangosteen rind is able to strongly reduce the presence of free radicals. Anti-cancer. Mangosteen rind has anti-proliferative properties that inhibit the growth of cancer cells. In addition, this content is also able to destroy cancer cells. Antimicrobial. Mangosteen rind is known to have antimicrobial properties against several bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus. Mangosteen peel has been known since ancient times as an ingredient that is very beneficial for the health of the body. There are so many benefits that can be obtained from this mangosteen fruit. Therefore, there are a lot of ingredients made from this mangosteen rind, whether it is extracted in the form of powder, capsules, or made into a kind of liquid such as syrup or juice. Mangosteen is good for the kidneys. As we all know that the kidney is a very important organ for the human body. These kidneys function to filter electrolyte removal so the nutrients can be sorted and absorbed. If the kidneys are damaged, it is dangerous for the human body.